Hola mis amores, welcome back to my channel again. My name is Ashley. If this is your first time here, be sure to subscribe down below. Don't forget to click that bell notifications to get notifications when I do upload new videos. And if you have social media, you can follow me Makeup Artist 27. That'll be Facebook and Instagram, and you can also find me on TikTok as _MissDancer727. And if you do like the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let's go ahead and get started in today's video, guys. Alright guys, so we have an unboxing video today. We're gonna be unboxing over here this big box, and as you can see, this is the Jeffree Star. I sent my prayers to Jeffree Star as of like yesterday. I think he had a big accident with his best friend, so my big regards to them. Hopefully they get better. It's a big one. Maybe I believe Jeffree broke his back, his spine or something, so he's gonna wear something that supports his spine for a few months. So my prayers to them, especially to his best friend also, who has had cancer a few times on his colon or something like that. So my prayers to them. Thank God nothing crazy happened, because oh my God, that would have been horrific. So I am excited to open this box. We are unboxing this spring ultimate, I think it is, box, and yes, I am so excited. I am so excited to see what I got. I know I'm gonna have a lot of like repetitive stuff, so if I get any repetitive stuff, it's gonna go into my Poshmark. I'm probably gonna sell it over there, so keep an eye, especially if you live in the United States. I'm gonna be probably selling those items that happened with the other items that I got on my other box. I already sold the orgy palette. Now I just have left the little piggy. So yes, any information, just write to me a message on my Facebook or Instagram. More Instagram than Facebook, because I don't use my Facebook much, but any questions, you guys let me know. But yes, I am so excited to open this baby. I can't raise it much because I have an injury in my arm, but yes, I'm so excited for this. Let me open it and then I'll be back, okay? Because it has a lot of tape. All right guys, we have the box. Oh my God, look at this. Look at this. I'm so excited to open this. You won't believe it. Okay, yes. Let's start. I think I opened it backwards, but oh well. First thing we have is over here is a mirror. Yay. Yay, yay, yay. Okay, if I find the prices on these items, I'm just gonna list them up top, because me going on my phone trying to figure out, then it's a lot. And of course I'll give you like the total value of it. But look, we got a ombre. I don't know if I have this one. Not sure if I have this one, but I'll check if I had that one. But that is one of the things. We have a mirror. I love those mirrors. They're perfect for like traveling, and I can just put them on my thing. We have a bunch of things. I'm so excited. Okay, so look, we have a palette over here. And this is the Bloodlust Palette. I already have this, so this is going to go to my Poshmark. If you're interested, just keep an eye, because I'm gonna post it. All right, let's go ahead and get started with these lipsticks. We have Wizard Glass, which I believe is a gloss. I don't think I have this one. No. Which I love. I love this. Let's see if I don't think I have that one. I have a purple one, but it's not that one. Yeah, I see it. It's not that one. It kind of looks like gold. No, not even gold. It looks gold, but when you have it on your hand, it has like pink and like purple shades on the. I don't know if you can see that there, but it's right there. Beautiful. I'm gonna put it over there. While I open, I put it on the side. All right, then we have this. I guess this is a lip liner. This is called androgyny or something like that. I don't have a lot. All the lip liners I receive is from the mystery box, because people, I don't buy the liners. I don't go crazy about the liners, but I take it if it's free. If not if it's free, but if it comes on the box, I'll take it. So it's kind of like a pink, pretty color. See the line over there? So like a pink color, pretty. I don't have that. I only have these over here. So look, these all came on the mystery boxes. I haven't ordered these personally. Like, I haven't been like, oh, let me buy lip liners. No, I haven't ordered those like that. So that's one over there. I'm kind of like putting the trash in one thing. All right, and then look, we have same color as the lip liner and dragonine whatever as a lipstick. Look at this. I don't think I have this either, but I'll take it. Pretty. I like that color. Super pretty. So that color right there, that is the color that we just got over here, which I'm gonna put over here on my little stand. All right, next color, we have a bunch of lipsticks over here. Gemini. I think I have Gemini, but like in a I believe it's like a smaller shade, not sure, but I'll check on that if I have it or not. This is Gemini. I'll check if I have it or not. I'm gonna leave it on the same packaging and then we'll figure that out. And then we have the Velvet, which is the Velvet Trap. This is the new lipsticks. I have a few colors, not a bunch. This is Celebrity Skin. I like this color. This color on like I think I have it on those glossy the new gloss, the Velvet Gloss, I think it's called. I have that one. Look at right there. I have the Celebrity Skin and I love it. So I'll put it over there. I'll stay with that one. This one is Let Me Be Perfectly Clear. It's a gloss. Let's see. I guess it's just the clear gloss. I don't have this one. Perfect. I love this. This is the clear gloss. Believe me, all the glosses same. Like, I think when he releases a new like collection, that I buy like 2 glosses most of the time just to try it out and stuff like that, but I never like be like, oh, I like that, you know, like I should buy all of the glosses. So a lot of the glosses I do get with my mystery boxes. All right, so look, we have another orgy palette, and last time I received this also, so this is gonna go back and I'm gonna resell it also on my Poshmark, so just keep an eye if you're interested. I'm gonna resell it because I'm not gonna put it on a giveaway. I paid a lot for this, so if I'm gonna I paid a lot for this box, so might as well just get something from the palettes. All right, let's continue with the rest. We have a Fanny Pack, I believe so. This is cute. I like it. I like the colors. Ooh, it's like a little fanny pack. Fanny pack? I don't know if it's a fanny pack or... Oh, I think the thing is up. I don't know what this is. If it's a fanny pack or like a makeup bag. I think it's like a makeup bag. I don't know, but this is it. It's cute. I don't know what it is. And I don't know if I don't know the price on this, because I think this is one of the limited things. But it's pretty. I like the color. They're like pastel kinda, but I have no clue what it is. All right, next we have some Jeffree Star. I believe it's a hoodie. I was hoping for like This is huge. I always get a huge because I don't know if they're gonna send pants or hoodie. So here is the little hoodie. I like it. It's probably a one thing. Like it. Look at that. Love it. Super cute. All right, and then we have a few more things over here. We have some single eyeshadows. These are new. I think he released these a few months ago, the single eyeshadows. But honestly, I don't even know where to put them, so I might have to get like the, yeah, so we have like 3 different colors for like single eyeshadows. We have this blue one. I don't know if he released these already. Brain Freeze. And then we have the black one, Delicious. I believe it's black, or let me open it because I have no clue. I can't see. It's kind of like a navy. It's called Delicious. And then we have this. Ooh, this one is beautiful. This one is called Soaked. And it's like that royal blue, like super pretty. Look at that. It's super pretty. I love that. And then one more thing. We have this over here, which I think I purchased. Or I think I got it. Extreme Frost Choking on Ice. I don't know if I got it or not. I'm gonna go check that out, but if not, it's gonna go listed on my Poshmark if I do have it. Honestly, it was a pretty good box. Nothing, I was expecting other things. He did say it was, some of them have well, like only for this box. So I believe it's this, the jacket. I don't know if about this or what other things went on it that they were like specially made for this box or for these mystery boxes. But that, honestly, that's all the mystery box for this spring mystery boxes. I hope you guys enjoy it, and yes, let me know what you guys have, and did you like it? It was a pretty good box. I don't say like, oh my god, I loved everything, because a lot of the things I already have, especially the palettes. But it was interesting to see what I was gonna get on this spring box. And then the jacket, of course, it's already hot in South Florida, but I'm guessing next year will do. But yes, thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoy it, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave. See you in my next video, guys.